My name is Alex, I'm part of the sales team here at Max. Today I'm going to show you around one of our removal trucks. This is a 4-container body that we've built on a Mercedes 13-ton chassis. We have this in stock at the moment ready to go. So I'll just show you some of the features on the vehicle. On the inside of the body we fit a non-slip flooring, hardwood flooring. You've got wooden kickboards, wooden tyre rails all the way around the vehicle. We have a toolbox storage. This is on gas struts, so it's air assisted, nice and neat. I'll show you our aluminium tables and ramps. I've got this set up already for you. As you can see, it's a nice loading angle. Get the flaps on the side, so you can feel it with your feet. Obviously you don't want anyone falling off. So the rear of the vehicle, this is a rear Dropwell with a false floor. The floor's obviously up and out of the way at the moment. You've got storage underneath there for when the floor's down, for your tables, and then the ramps, you've got storage on the doors. We keep in stock 4-container, 5-container and even 3-container vehicles with a range of manufacturers, DAF, Volvo, Mercedes. Obviously customisable to your spec as well, so get in touch